Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to continue working with online inference with MLflow. In the previous video, we saw how to run the local inference server using MLflow, and we explored the serving endpoints that MLflow provides. Now, in today's video, I'm going to showcase the validations that MLflow does when we are making these requests. So the first validation is about the schema, the model schema. When we register the model, we specify as a model signature, right? Well, what we're going to do here to trigger that validation is to change the name of the column, right? Sepal length to SL. Now, what I'm doing here is changing the schema of the payload or the data that I'm sending to the inference server. So MLflow will be MLflow will detect this change, basically ask for this column, because remember that when we trained the model, we specify a model signature, and MLflow is enforcing it. So let me run the entry point. Iris CLF online inference. Okay, it says error, model is missing the input sepal left, right? Because we didn't send that column. What we sent it's being shown here as L and the rest of the columns. But at the same time, it says that an additional or extra input was detected, which is SL. So another validation that MLflow does is about the data type. What I'm going to do to trigger this validation is to modify one of the values of the column sepal length. I'm going to put this string invalid value. So let me run the code. And it should throw an error. Could not convert a string to float, invalid value. So it says basically invalid input, data is not compatible with model signature, as we know, right? Failed to convert column sepal length to type float 64. So what is happening is that MLflow will try to transform or to convert the string to a float. For example, this is a string, right? As you can see here, this is a string, but internally, MLflow will try to convert the string to float. And in this case, it should work. Yes, it's working. But since in this case, I'm using this string invalid value, I cannot just convert that to a number, right? So MLflow is throwing that error. So these are like validations that are very helpful when we are making these API calls or trying to get predictions from the local inference server. Well, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching it, and see you next time.